Greetings team Hack and Code 5. I'm MBSI Adit and my topic name is Mess and Hostel Allotment Process. So what I've encountered as a college student is all the processes are definitely, I would say, all the processes have been digitalized, but there are certain processes, not certain, I would say there are processes which are to be digitalized but they're not actually digitalized, in which we have to stand in a long queue, we have to wait for hours and hours for our time to come, for our chance to come, right? And those processes are mess and hostel allotment in college. So when I came to college, that is when our offline started, so I encountered that our mess allotment and hostel allotment process, not only in our colleges but many colleges around here, are just offline, still in this digital era they are offline, and they are very hectic processes in which we have to stand for hours and hours in long queue. So what I thought is all those things should be offline, so should be online, and it should be very easy to be done. But actually, yeah, actually in offline world it is not. So what I've done is I've created this website. As you can see, this is the main website I've just created. I've not made any authentication as such for now, because we can make it later, and those things are modifications. What I have done is this iris is basically, I have made specific it to my college, but it can be modified as per any college. So iris is basically our college organization which maintains all these things. So I have just written the name iris there, and NITK is my college name, that is National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. So what I'll do is I'll just enter my roll number here as it is asking. I'll just click on sign in, and it will take me to the main dashboard of this particular website, right? So here, yeah, these photos, all things are specific to my college and they can be modified obviously. So there are two columns, the hostel and mess dashboard. So what I'll do is firstly I'll take you to the mess dashboard, and as I'll come to the mess dashboard, we can see there are three columns: the home, dues and mess change. So what I've encountered is, even when we have to pay the mess fees in many of the colleges, it is not done online, it is done offline. Though the college fees is taken online, but mess fees is yet taken offline. So that is something which should be made online obviously. So what I thought is we can create a kind of mess dashboard and hostel dashboard in a particular website, the official website of the college, and then we can do all the things there itself. So for example, if I'm a newbie that has just come to the college, I can click on new registration, and I can register myself. Now obviously the college has all the details, so my name, my roll number, my block number, my room number, my branch, or the payment which has to be made, all those things would definitely be there itself. And these are the name of the messes or mess of our college. So basically that would be changed according to the college for which this particular website is to be made. So what I'll do is I'll just select a college, select a mess, that is Vindhya, I will select, and I'll just proceed to payment. And there are two options obviously. If the payment becomes unsuccessful, it will redirect you back to the page, and we have to again select the mess and we have to make the payment. If the payment is successful, in case our mess card, the mess invoice will be generated. This is the invoice, and with the invoice obviously we have an option of view mess card, and we have the option of mess dashboard. I'll click on view mess card, and we can view the our mess card. So all these things definitely must be digitalized nowadays. Also in our college we are using the actual mess card, that is the hard mess card, which must not be there obviously. It is the digital era, we must have the soft copy of that. Yeah. So this was all about mess card generation and mess dashboard. And obviously I would like to also say that, see, now it is coming already registered, and I would like to show you by inspecting the website that what I'm doing is I'm just storing some of the cookies in this particular website, and due to which all these things are appearing, right? And yeah, from here we can view our latest mess card and a latest invoice. And these sections are yet not prepared, that is dues and mess change. For example, yeah, mess change, I would like to say I have created this. For example, change your mess, yeah. And obviously this is very hectic process. For example, if you are in mess 1 and you want to change it to mess 2, that takes a huge amount of time if you are in offline, but that must be done very easily on online. What we just have to do is, our current mess is Vindhya, we just have to select the new mess, that is Nilgiri, and I'll just click on change mess change, check the changes in mess card. I'll click on OK, and I can come to the mess card, and I can see the mess has been changed. Yeah, it should be that easy. What I think is, in this digital era it should be that easy that we can change the mess, we can do whatever by just the click of buttons. Yeah. Now I'll take you to hostel dashboard. In the hostel dashboard, again, all those details which are necessary for college to capture, all those will be automatically filled. We just have to select the block, that is the hostel block in which we have to stay. For example, I'll select Nilgiri. The payment is written. I'll just proceed to payment. And yeah, this is the thing that I was telling, that as we book flight tickets, yeah, we book bus tickets, so the selection of the room also must be in that way. For example, see, this particular X basically represent warden's room in the complete block. There is a room which is specific to warden, I can call it the office maybe. And all these are obviously, these are not according to a database, but I have just created it for display purpose. For example, if I want room number 15, I'll just click it and all other will get unchecked. Yeah, they will, yeah, get unchecked. And for example, if I don't want this, I'll again click it and I'll select any other room. I'll just proceed to payment. I have selected room number 10. And yeah, yeah, all these things we can capture. And yeah, we'll be given an invoice. Yeah, we'll given an invoice and we'll be generating the room slip, entry slip, all the things online itself by the server. We don't have to do any hectic process. Yeah, so that was all what I wanted to demonstrate. Thank you.